First and follow. First. The first is the set of terminals you could possibly see as the first part of the expansion of a non-terminal. Follow. The follow set is the set of terminals you could possibly see following the expansion of a non-terminal. In this grammar, we need to find out first and follow. So, we need to find the first of S, but before we get it, we need first to find the first of A, which is small a and an empty set. For B, also small b and empty set. For C, just small c. D is a small d and empty set, and E, which is small e and empty set. So we need to find the first of S. If we're generating empty set from S, the first one that we are going to use is the A. Then what is the first of A? We simply copy the small a, and now we don't need to write down the empty set in first of S. We just simply substitute empty set in letter A, so letter A is going to vanish. So you're now going to the remaining B, C, D, and E. Then repeat the process. Copy the first of letter B, which is small b. Then substitute again the empty set to B, then the B will be vanished. Then again, the first of S is now in C. The first of C is small c. Then copy the small c. Therefore, the first of S are small a, b, and c. We cannot pass through C because C does not have an empty set. Next one, we need to find follow. Follow always start with the symbol $sign. $sign is an input marker. So, S is the start state, we simply put $sign. And we cannot find the $sign in the given production, so the follow of S is just a $sign. Then what is the follow of A? The follow of the letter A is B, C, D, and E. But B is the first follow of A. Therefore, the follow of the A is the first of B, which is small b. Then substitute the empty set to vanish the B. So what is the remaining is the C, D, and E. Then copy the first of C, which is small c. Therefore, the follow of A is small b and C. We cannot pass through again C because C does not have an empty set. Then we need to get the follow of letter B. The follow of B is C, D, and E. So the first letter C is small c. We just simply write the small c. Again, we cannot pass through C because it does not have an empty set or another input. Next, we need to get the follow of C. The follow of C is D and E. So the first of D is small d. Copy it. Then substitute the empty set to the letter D so that it will be vanished. And we copy the first of letter E, which is small e. Then substitute the empty set to letter E so it will be vanished. Which means C is coming at the right hand. Whenever value comes to the right hand, then you want to find the follow of it. Find the follow of the left hand side. So follow of C is nothing but the follow of letter S. The reason is because D and E is getting vanished. So whatever follow S is now follow of C. So we include the $sign on it. Next is follow of D. The follow of D is E and the first of E is small letter e. Copy it. Then substitute empty set to letter E so the letter E will be vanished. Now the follow of D is the follow of S. And the follow of S is $sign. Therefore, the follow
Created using Powtoon.